So, hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So, guys, recently the Global Innovation Index for 2022 has been released, and India has achieved a milestone here. Yes, guys, we have achieved a milestone here. We were ranked at 81st place in 2015, then we moved to 46th place in 2021. Now we have moved one further ahead. We have moved one space ahead. So, let's see what is the rank of India for the Global Innovation Index for the year 2022. If you know, that's really great. But if you do not know, don't worry guys, we will be discussing about India's rank, as well as we will also be discussing about the global findings, releasing body, and what are the achievements that India has made in this year's Global Innovation Index. Because you can see this graph here. We were at 81st, we are moving on a very high path in this Global Innovation Index, okay, that has been recently released. Talking about this index, guys, the index is relevant both for your phase 1 and phase 2 examination. Now let's start with the basic, okay, the releasing body of this index. I know this question might be easy for you. If you have read this report, if you haven't read this report, don't worry. Each and everything from the report will be covered here within 5 MCQs. बस 5 MCQs कर लो, आपकी सारी report holistically cover हो जाएगी, ठीक है? चलो, and do one thing more, guys. If you read this report, okay, there are 5 MCQs here. Tell me in the comment box how many marks you have secured. Okay, chaliye. Let's start with the first question of the day. The first question that I'm asking you is the releasing body of this Global Innovation Index for the year 2022, or the partnership who are involved in this Global Innovation Index. Now see, which institutions are the releasing institutes here. One is World Intellectual Property Organization, second is Portland Institute, and third is Confederation of Indian Industry. Okay, let's see, let's read the option, let's look, let's see how many of you know this answer right here. Okay, so coming to the answer here is guys option number D. Yes, all these are participating institutes. And tell me honestly in the comment box how many of you have committed a mistake here, because only one is also given here, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. 1 and 2 is also there. If you have read about the Portland Institutes, that's really good. But guys, one thing that is very, very important here is that even the Confederation of Indian Industry has played a very important role while releasing this Global Innovation Index. Now, when I talk about this report was basically, the theme for this report is that is what is the future of innovation driven growth is the theme for this year's report. This is again important for us to remember. Edition is this 15th edition, and if I talk about the important things here, okay, if it is released by World Intellectual Property Organization in collaboration with the Portland Institutes, and there are some corporate partners also who has helped in releasing this body, which includes Confederation of Indian Industry, Brazilian National Confederation of Industry, Ecopetrol, and the Turkish Exporters Assembly. So we have to be very much sure. This is a very important thing, is because Confederation of Indian Industry has also played a very prominent role in releasing this year's Global Innovation Index. Okay, chaliye. Now let's move to the second question of the day. The second question is, which among the following statements are incorrect with respect to the Global Innovation Index? Here you can see the 3 statements here. First statement is total number of countries that are involved are 132. It says Iran has topped the innovation economies in Central Asia and Southern Asia. Third is India has topped in the innovation of upper middle income group. So India ने top किया है in the innovation countries among the upper middle income group. So again, look at this question quite carefully, because guys, when the examination pattern, we are seeing the questions in the examination is getting tougher and tougher day by day. So we can expect these kind of questions also. Okay, let's see how many of you get your answer right here. So see here, India क्या upper middle income group का part है, या India is a part of lower middle income group? That we need to remember. Whether Iran has topped the Central Asian economy or any other country has topped. Whether there are 132 countries that are involved in this index or more than that. So coming to the thing here, the right answer here is, guys, that is option number B. Both second and third statement is wrong here. The reason when the answer is that it is not Iran, it is India. Yes, an achievement made by India. India has topped in the economies in the Central and South Asian region. In top 3 economies, India is the top there. As per this index, the second important is India has topped the innovation economies, but not the upper middle income group. India has topped the lower middle income group. ठीक है. So now if I see this kind of question, guys, if this question comes in the examination, what do you have to do? Don't get emotional here, because see, there are two very important points to remember here. India is a part of basically lower middle income group countries, not upper middle income group countries. This is the China is basically there in the upper middle. India lower middle income group में आता है. ठीक है जी. चलिए, तो अगर आपको ये याद है lower और upper middle, still you cannot be sure. Why I can say, see the options here, only 2 and 3 and only 3 is there given here. So यहाँ पे भी ध्यान रखना है कि I know one statement is wrong. If you are not sure about the second statement, you should not take a risk here, because you should be sure about the second statement also. Then you should attempt these kind of questions here. चलिए. So coming to this thing, it captures 132 economies. When I talk about the innovation, top 3 innovation economies by region, in Central Asia, it is India, followed by Iran and Uzbekistan. ठीक है जी. In terms of rest, you can see Northern America, USA and Canada are there. Latin America, Chile, Brazil and Mexico are there. But for us, the most important is the achievement made by India. India is at top in the Central and Southern Asian region. Similarly, in income groups, when I talk about, ठीक है, upper middle income group, guys, it is China who has topped here. India has topped in lower middle income group. ठीक है, and India has surpassed Vietnam here. High income, it is Switzerland, ठीक है जी, followed by United States and Sweden, and low income it is Rwanda who has top. So सारे ना करो, but इंडिया वाला पॉइंट जो है वो यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. चलिए, coming to next question. Which among the following countries has remained at the bottom in the recently released Global Innovation India Index? We know it is topped by Switzerland, second is United States, but which state is at bottom? That is very important for us. टॉप तो हमें पता है, बहुत ज्यादा न्यूज़पेपर्स में हाईलाइट भी हुआ है कि टॉप में स्विट्जरलैंड है, फॉलोड बाय यूएसए. It is which state is at bottom or which country is at bottom? The answer for that is option number A. It is Guinea. So if I look at the sequence here, Guinea is at 132nd place, Iraq is 131, 130, 129, and Yemen is 120. These are the bottom 5 countries of this index. So top 5: Switzerland, USA, Sweden, United Kingdom and Netherlands. These are the top 5 states, and Switzerland has the highest score of 64.6 here. Bottom 5, guys, when I talk about, as I was discussing, it is Guinea at bottom, followed by or preceded by Iraq, Burundi, Mauritania and Yemen. So these are the bottom 5 countries that we need to remember. Now the thing that you are waiting for is the question that we have seen in the thumbnail. Yes, the question is, what is the rank of India? So if you guys have analyzed, if you guys have seen this thing, now let me know what is the rank of India. As I was discussing, this is the major achievement. India was at 81st spot in 2015. Then it slowly moved. It has moved to 46th spot in 2021. Now India is at which spot? And India is at, that is, it is at 40th spot. India has achieved the 40th rank, and it is for the first time that India is among the top 40 countries. Yes. It is for the first time India is among the top 40 countries, which is a great achievement that is made by the country here. ठीक है, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, which tells us कि हमारी जो इनोवेशन इंडस्ट्री है, they are growing time and time again. Now look at the thing here: 81, 66, 60, 57, 52, 48, 46 or 40. So which means consistently there has been an improvement in the innovation index from the past years, that is from 2015 till 2022. There has been a consistent improvement in this global innovation index. Okay, now see, the important thing for us is we should be able to understand this specific graph also. There could be a possibility that they might ask you a question whether it was a consistent increase. ठीक है, ये तो नहीं कहीं पे डिक्लाइन हुआ है. So the one thing important here is there has been a consistent improvement in the rank of India from 2015 till 2022. Talking about the score of India, India scored 36.6 in this year's index, that is in the index of 2022, and India was at 46th place with a score of 36.4 previous year. So score कितना improve हुआ? 36.4 to 36.6. So this was the improvement of India. So this was the thing that you were waiting from the thumbnail. Okay, what is the achievement made by India? So India has been ranked from 46th to 40th place this year. चलिए, the next question is, according to this recently index of this global innovation index, what is the rank of India in the ICT services export? ठीक है, ICT services import में इंडिया कौन सा रैंक है? So India has been ranked at first place here. Talking about the achievements of India. So it says India has been ranked first in terms of ICT services. Then the thing that I was asking, India has entered in the top 40 countries for the first time along with Turkey. This is the important thing. It's not in only India, along with Turkey is the thing here. So this country you should also remember कि कौन सी country और India के साथ, that is Turkey. The next is India's innovation performance. If I talk about the performance of India, the report says that India has improved in almost all the parameters except the infrastructure pillar. So except in the infrastructure pillar, the rest pillars India has shown a greater improvement here. So guys, this was all about your Global Innovation Index. So we have quickly revised the Global Innovation Index. I hope you have liked the video. Okay, so if you have liked the video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also press the like button here. Okay, tell me honestly in the comment box how many scores you have scored, okay, in this Global Innovation Index quiz, or you can say the thing that we have revised. Okay, any other topic you want me to discuss, you guys can tell me about that in the comment box. I will be really glad to bring a video on that specific topic also. Then guys, to get the access of the PDF, what you have to do is only basic thing. Subscribe to the Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Okay, so this was all. So guys, still if you have any kind of doubt on any other thing regarding examination strategy or anything you want to discuss with us, you can drop us an email at hello@edutab.co.in. You could even have a call with us at this number, that is 81462 Again guys, wishing you all the best for your examinations. Keep working hard, keep preparing. Wishing you all the best for your examination. Bye bye.